Feeling overwhelmed by Blender's interface? Don't worry, in just 10 minutes you'll master navigation, UI customization, and essential controls. We'll start from absolute basics. When Blender opens, you see 5 key areas: the top bar with File Edit menus and Workspace tabs like modeling or sculpting. The giant central area? That's your 3D viewport, your creative playground. Top right, the outliner, your scene's object collection. Right panel, the properties editor, where magic happens. Modifiers, materials, all settings live here. Bottom, the timeline for animation. Press T to toggle the left toolbar, N for the right sidebar. Orbit around your scene by holding middle mouse button and dragging. Pan, hold Shift and middle mouse drag. Zoom, scroll your wheel or control middle mouse drag. Keyboard shortcut alert, tap 1, 3 or 7 on your numpad for front, side, top views, 0 for camera view. 5 toggles perspective orthographic views. Left-click selects objects. Press A to select or deselect all. Transform fast. Hit G to grab or move, hit R to rotate, hit S to scale. Critical trick. After pressing G or R or S, tap X, Y or Z to lock to that axis. Change viewport shading with Z. Try wireframe versus rendered view. Pro tips: 3 game changers. Full screen your 3D view with Control Space. To undo, use Control Z, and to redo, use Shift Control Z. You did it! You now understand Blender's UI, navigation and customization. For our next tutorial, modeling your first 3D object, subscribe and hit the bell. Questions? Drop them in comments. Happy blending!